Hey guys, I'm back, and I got something cool to share with you. I've been looking at a way to make my meetings way more engaging. I was looking for some audience engagement, and I wanted that through a Teams app or a Teams chat. And that's what I'm here to share with you today. Let's check this out. I'm about to start a Teams meeting. I'm gonna hit join in there. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera off for this demonstration so you see me at the Teams app. Okay, to add apps, it's the ellipsis at the top there. You click add an app, right? And now I've got lots of apps in there. Azure Communication Services, this is really cool too. Let's go with OBS. Get the information at the top. I'm gonna click add on there. And that's gonna add the app as a pane. Now I should have worked on the UX here. It is there, but you can't see it. That's the OBS one. And the app comes up on this side. I'm gonna go in here and enter a password, which will unlock some controls. Okay, there it is. You're seeing an app that will allow the audience to connect or interact with you. I'm gonna click a few buttons. So the first one I'm gonna do is the game or home office. Let's try with that. That changes the lights in my room. Let me turn on the camera. All right, here we go. Game office. All right, it takes a moment, but there, the lights just changed in my room. I'm gonna click on home office, and that's gonna brighten things up. Now I've also added it to animate the screen, the scenes, or the screen, so that what they're watching could be interesting. So let's try the meeting held. All right, so this one's going to be interesting. So this is my Halloween effect. Behind the scenes, what's happening is we're sending a call using Power Automate with a premium connection, and that connection makes a call to my desktop, which in turn animates a source inside Teams for everyone to watch. So that was one way. What if, okay, that's cool, that's an app. What if you started typing it in the chat and you want that engagement too? So let's take a look at how I can do that. So I'm gonna open up the chat for this meeting. And at the bottom, I'm just gonna send a first message because that's how I designed this, to work off messages. So I'm gonna say, hey, let the fun begin. All right. So to do this, I hover over the ellipsis and I'm going to click the action there. You can see it right at the top there. Let me just turn off my camera and zoom. Enable OBS chat subscription. This opens up a box where you can add a word. So for this demonstration, let's go with TGIF. TGIF. So what I'm saying is, if you enter this word, TGIF, it will animate the scene. Now I've got some special words. If they type in words like wasted, inferno, or code, it would do other things as well. So there's some suggestions for folks. All right, hit submit, zoom back out. So the first thing happens is we're going to send a subscription to Teams, and we're going to monitor the chat messages coming into this meeting. We're specifically looking for TGIF. So the first thing is I programmed it to send a notification that will say, hey, you've got a subscription. And if you see at the bottom, it has an expiry date too, so my subscription is good for an hour. It got activated, and the keyword is TGIF. So what I'm going to do now is type TGIF. Okay, what happens is a change notification just triggered. It in the graph will notify my endpoint to execute my flow. Looks like it just got that notification. Momentarily, Power Automate spins up and will execute the command TGIF, and I've added the text there, so it's really interactive for folks to see what they might have typed right up on the screen. That's it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I haven't yet packaged up the solution, but I'm willing to share. And if you're interested in learning how, perhaps we can just do this on a live stream or a Teams meeting or LinkedIn live event or I don't know. Just maybe message me and maybe we can collaborate on making this or taking this a level higher. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.